Hello, I'm Mitchell Black. I'm a PhD student at the University of Melbourne, researching the links between Australia's weather and climate. Australia started 2013 with a record-breaking heatwave. While Australia's always experienced heatwaves, this particular event was very unusual, as it was widespread and it persisted for a long time. Much of the country experienced extremely high temperatures that lasted for more than 2 weeks, with a number of locations recording temperatures above 48 degrees. The heatwave had significant impact on our health, roads and railways, agriculture, and the environment. Many people are asking if there is a link between this exceptional weather and climate change caused by rising greenhouse gas levels. Well, answering this question is difficult because we know from historical data that heatwaves are a normal part of most Australian summers. So we cannot simply say that without climate change, this heatwave would not have occurred. Instead, we can rephrase our question to ask, did man-made climate change make this heatwave more likely? In other words, have greenhouse gas emissions loaded the Australian weather dice in favour of warmer conditions? When we roll our weather dice, a 6 can appear every now and again, but we never know when that's going to happen. But if the dice is loaded in favour of warmer conditions, the 6 will appear more often, and the 1 less often. To work out if a dice is loaded, particularly if that loading is subtle, we need to roll it many times to see if we get too many 6s. In the real world, we only get to roll the weather dice once. So we need to run computer simulations, and this is where we need your help. We're asking you to join our experiment by downloading and running simulations of possible Australian weather on your own computer. We've prepared tens of thousands of computer simulations that fall into 2 groups. One group will simulate the actual conditions driving Australia's weather in 2013, while the other group will simulate the world that might have been if climate change had not occurred. By comparing the number of heat waves between these 2 groups, we can work out if climate change has made the events more likely, less likely, or had no impact at all. Please help us find out how climate change has been affecting our weather. Download your own unique individual simulation from weatherathome.org. Thank you very much for your help.